Hello, my name is Scott Thomas. I'm the CEO of Robotic Materials. Our smart hand is solving manipulation problems in collaborative robots.
Hi, I'm Nicholas Carell, CTO and founder of Robotic Materials. We developed a smart hand that integrates 3D perception and tactile sensing to solve hard manipulation challenges right out of the box.
Hi, my name is Austin Miller. I'm a mechanical engineer here at Robotic Materials, and I'm in charge of designing our smart gripper.
Hi, my name is Davis Robertson, and I'm an intern here at Robotic Materials. I'm a junior mechanical engineer turned software engineer, and most of my time is spent coming up with segmentation algorithms for pivot and picking application.
Hello, I'm Brandon from Robotic Materials, and I'm a software engineer here. My primary focus is on computer vision, planning algorithms, as well as robotic control systems. Right now for the competition, I'm primarily working on assembly, and besides that I also work on mobile manipulation, such as integrating our manipulator on a mobile cart.